Hello, welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. So I think like everyone wants to talk about Bitcoin's correction today. We did dump about 9,000 points, about 20 something percent really over the weekend. A lot of people are freaking out, but there's actually no reason to freak out. I mean, we were at basically under 20,000 maybe like a month and a half ago. So a correction was actually expected because we grew up so fast. Remember last time, during the last bull run, we did have corrections of up to 40%, and they came really fast, and they went really fast as well, and we regained. I expect us to be back at like 40,000 within like 2 weeks or so, or trying 40,000 again. Whether we get rejected or then, that's another question altogether. Also, the reason for this dump is because it looks like miners were actually selling inventory. Remember, miners do have to sell inventory every once in a while to actually even pay their electricity costs. And obviously selling at 40,000 is great profits. So if you look at great profits, obviously people want to take large profits, and that's exactly what they did. But remember, with companies like Grayscale buying up these profits, it won't take long for this situation to turn around. So Bitcoin fell sharply early on Monday, having failed to establish a foothold above 40,000. So 40,000, there was a level of sell right there, and we weren't able to break that resistance fully. Over the last 24 hours, the cryptocurrency declined by more than 8,000 to 32,400, an over 20% fall from the levels over 40,800 late Sunday. The cryptocurrency was last seen changing hands up slightly near 35,380, still down 13.6% on a 24-hour basis. Prices reached a record high of 41,962 on January 8th and ended the last week with 15% gains, its fourth consecutive double-digit gain. So the thing is, like, obviously the altcoins that have gained more will actually lose more as well. Hefty spot. So there were a lot of spot selling as like miners actually sold out. A lot of the miners sold in the spot market, and people kind of like FOMO'd out. Hefty spot selling against an over-levered market caused the price drop. Trader and analyst Alex Kruger told CoinDesk, adding it is unclear whether it was miners selling or macro factors liquidating positions. I think it was probably a combination of both, like miners selling. Once you hit a certain area, it probably caused longs to liquidate, and then everything just came down. Data provided by South Korean analytics firm CryptoQuant suggests that miner selling did contribute to the price drop. I'm sure they actually started it because they mined a lot of coins, and they actually need them to pay off electricity costs. The 30-day average of miners position index, MPI, the ratio of total miners outflows in US dollars terms divided by 365-day moving average of outflows in dollar terms, rose to 2.2 on Sunday, the highest level since July 2019, which also kind of started a sell-off. A reading above 2.0 indicates miners are selling. So, I mean, obviously, like I said, miners want to make money, a lot of money selling around 40,000, so many of them sold. Probably still profitable to sell right now. Miner position index looks enough to make a local top. They're selling Bitcoin, CryptoQuant CEO Kai Young just tweeted Sunday. Some panic selling was seen in the US-based crypto exchange Coinbase. A sell order for 180 Bitcoin on Coinbase quickly brought the price down to 1,200. So there were obviously large movements by somewhat like semi-whales, dolphins, as you would call them, on Coinbase and American exchanges. Adding fuel to the fire, a comment by Gunham Partners ICO Scott Minerd that Bitcoin's sharp rise is unsustainable. I mean, yes, there'll always be drawbacks, but like I think, like I said, we'll be back in 40,000 within a few weeks, and we may actually be able to burst through this time. So I don't think it's like wise to actually like shoot up all this fear right now for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's parabolic rise is unstable for the near term, vulnerable to a setback. The target technical upside of 35,000 has been exceeded. We're now below 35,000, obviously, but like I said, after we consolidate for a couple of days, I do think we're actually going to go up. Most observers, like many people in the channel, have actually described the price dip as healthy, and I really do think that too. And really, if you want to pick up some cheaper coins, I mean, now is a decent opportunity to do so. So that's the news for today. Don't really panic. There's nothing special about the sell-off. Just a correction. We had him in the last bull run too. Nothing really to worry about. That's the news for today. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.